Thank you. I'll be very brief, but I'd like to say that in the last few days, we confirmed the Marburg virus disease, the first case in Rwanda, which actually opened testing for other suspect cases that were confirmed after hours testing using PCR technology within our lab. So far, we've confirmed 20 cases and 6 deaths that also happen to be due to Marburg virus disease. As we speak, there is a lot happening in terms of contact tracing, testing, isolation, treatment, but also working on the communication to ensure the public is aware on what is happening about this disease, how we should prevent it, and how we should work together to avoid further transmissions, as well as saving lives of people who are already in treatment. So the typical symptoms of this disease very well known, but sometimes confused with other diseases such as malaria, especially at the beginning of the symptoms. The first symptom, actually, again, similar to other diseases, high fever, sometimes persistent, headaches that remain for some time, muscle pain, and malaise, or some gastrointestinal disturbances that actually moves to complications as the patient gets into second phase that explains how the virus is spreading or actually affecting the entire immune system in the body. So far, we have activated all our response mechanisms. We're working with different partners and also government institutions to make sure we stop this spread as quick as possible, and also we save the lives of the people that are likely already infected. And that's why contact tracing is our main focus, lab diagnostics, and also clinical treatment. This virus has a very high fatality rate, which ranges between 28 to 90% sometimes. It's a big range, but our aim is to reduce the mortality rate as much as possible. The numbers I mentioned, mainly among healthcare workers, and these are people who are saving lives, and we are there also to save their lives as we can, using the means that are available with the latest science. So we'd like to say that communication and awareness to the public is very important on how this virus is transmitted. It's not like COVID-19. Each virus, each outbreak has its own specificities and how it affects people. And avoiding close contacts with infected individuals, contact with blood or body fluids is the main route of transmissions, as well as touching surfaces and objects of infected patients. So it's very important to note that once you see these symptoms, inform the Rwanda Biomedical Center at 114, as well as also contacting the facilities. All facilities have been briefed on precautions, and we want to make sure all the means to stop this spread in place very quickly, and we convey this message also media, community, civil society organizations present here. We want to work closely with you, sharing the right information to the public, because during this time of pandemics, there's a lot of infodemics and false information spread by people with sometimes intentions that are not going to help us stop this outbreak. Tubahaye ikaze muri Minisiteri y'Ubuzima, tugiye kubagezaho ku cyorezo cya Marburg giteye, ndetse muze no kubaza ibibazo, ariko noneho tugire n'ibitekerezo ko ni ikibazo cya twese. Nk'uko mwabibonye rero mu makuru twabasangije, nuko hashize iminsi mike tubonye iyi virusi hano mu Rwanda, ndetse guhera kuri igipimo cya mbere haza no gukorwa n'ibindi bipimo mu buryo bwo gukurikirana ibyorezo. Tuza kubona ko hari n'abandi bafite ubwo burwayi. Akazi karakomeza n'ubu tuvugana hari ibiri gukorwa. Iyi virusi ya Marburg ni virusi isanzwe izwi kuko imaze igihe kinini yagiye igaragara mu bihugu bitandukanye. Hamaze kuba ibyorezo bishingiyeho birenga 13, ariko n'ubwa mbere yari igeze hano mu gihugu cyacu uko nabivuze. Uburyo rero bwo kuyirwanya no guhangana nayo nabwo twariteguye nk'uko twitegura n'ibindi byorezo, ariko buri cyorezo kigira ibyacyo, kigira umwihariko wacyo. Ni nayo mpamvu dutangira tunagisobanura, hanyuma tukanababwira ibiri gukorwa, tukabaha imibare uko igenda iboneka, ndetse tukazajya duhura namwe kenshi kugira ngo ibyo tuzi amakuru dufite namwe mwe muyafite kuri urugamba, namwe mu turimo twese. Iyi virusi rero umwihariko wayo ni uko ubundi ntikunda kubaho cyane, bayita mu rurimi rw'amahanga it's a rare virus, ntikunda kubaho cyane, ariko iyo ibashije kugera mu bantu ubundi ikunda kuva mu nyamaswa, inkende zizwi, ndetse n'uducurama mwese muzi ko na virusi zindi twagiye tubona hari aho zihurira. Buri inyamaswa hari ibivaho bitujyaho, hari natwe biva ku bantu bijya ku nyamaswa, naho dutuye niko isi imeze. Rero iyo igeze ku muntu hagati y'iminsi 3 ushobora kugenda bikaba byagera ku minsi 21, umuntu ashobora kutagaragaza ibimenyetso. Hari abo biza vuba, muri rusange usanga mu cyumweru cya mbere ibimenyetso bigaragara, ibimenyetso bitangira bisa n'iby'izindi ndwara tuzi, cyane cyane indwara ya malaria n'izindi. Biza ari umuriro mwinshi, ndetse usa nk'utunguranye, akaza umutwe ukabije cyane, kubabara ingingo, imitsi, imikaya, ndetse bikaba byagera no mu rwungano ngogozi. Umuntu akaba yacibwamo, akaba yaruka. Ubwo ibyo ni icyiciro cya mbere. Uko iminsi igenda niko ibimenyetso bigenda bihinduka, bitewe n'uko umubiri ugenda wangirika. Ni nayo mpamvu kuyirwanya rero bisaba kuyibona vuba, ukayivura vuba. Uyu munsi rero tuvugana hari abayigaragaweho nk'uko nabivuze. Imibare ejo twarayiberetse. Uyu munsi hari ibindi bipimo biri gukorwa ku bantu benshi bagiye bahura n'abarwaye, ariko imibare twabahaye ejo ntabwo irahinduka. Nayo ku batayibonye ndumva twanayisubiramo yuko hari abarwayi twagize ibyago dupfusha abarwayi 6, ndetse hari n'abandi 20 bagaragaweho n'ubwo burwayi. Dufite rero abahuye nabo benshi, byo bita contacts. Nabo buri munsi umubare uriyongera, tugenda duhamagarana cyangwa se dushakisha. Za contacts bamaze kuba benshi, hafi 300, ndetse bishobora no kwiyongera, ariko bigenda bitandukana. Hari uwo bahuye nk'uko duhuye, ushobora kuba mwarahuye mukanaramukanya, cyangwa se munabana mu nzu, cyangwa yari umurwaza cyangwa yari umurwayi, biratandukana. Uyu mubare mbahaye muri rusange. Ibyo birahinduka iyo dukurikirana icyorezo, rero icyo ni ingenzi. Ikindi twababwira ni ibiri gukorwa. Kuva laboratoire nkuru y'igihugu yabona ko iyo virusi ihari kuri uwo murwayi twahereyeho, twagiye dushakisha abo bahuye, ariko tukanibaza iyi virusi yaturutse hehe. Kugeza ubu ntabwo turarangiza icyo gikorwa cyo kumenya. Gishobora rimwe na rimwe no kugorana, kuko usubira inyuma ushakisha aho ubwo burwayi bwaraturutse. Ariko icyo nta nubwo ari nacyo cyihutirwa cyane. Icyihutirwa ni ukumenya aho uburwayi buri, aho bugeze, tukabuhagarika, ndetse abarwayi tukabavura mu buryo bwose bushoboka, byaba ibyo dufite aha mu gihugu n'ibyo tudafite byose tukabibaha kugira ngo hatagira wongera gutakaza ubuzima. Indwara igira ikibazo cy'uko uyirwaye ashobora imuhitana ku gipimo kiri hejuru ugereranyije n'izindi, ariko aho yagiye igaragara kuyivura kare vuba byongera amahirwe y'uko abarwayi bashobora gukira. Biva hagati ya 25% na 89% kuba yaguhitana. Urumva ko ari n'intera ndende bishoboka kuko umuvuye kuvura cyane hakiri kare ushobora kurengera ubuzima bwabo benshi barwaye. Ku batararwara rero birashoboka ko haba hari uwahuye n'uburwayi muri abo n'abandi tutaramenya. Niyo mpamvu tubwira abatwumva gukurikiza aya mabwiriza. Ubonye umuntu ufite bya bimenyetso, umuriro mwinshi, kubabara umutwe bikabije, kubabara mu mikaya, mu mitsi, mu ngingo, ndetse no gucibwamo, ushobora no kwibuka ko hari uwo mwahuye ufite n'ibyo bimenyetso, nabyo byongera kuba wakeka ko iyi ndwara wayanduye, ukaba wakwihutira guhamagara wa murongo 114 cyangwa se ukitabaza ubuvuzi mu buryo twashyizeho bwizewe bwatuma umuntu tumubona hakiri kare, kuko iyi ndwara ishobora kwitiranya n'izindi nyinshi. Ikindi tusaba ni uko abaturage bagira umutuzo bagakomeza imirimo yabo bakoraga, kuko iyi ndwara itandukanye n'izindi twahanganye nka COVID-19. Ntabwo ari indwara yandurira mu mwuka nk'uko iyo twahanganaga nayo yari imeze. Ni indwara yandura iyo ukoze ku matembabuzi cyangwa se amaraso iyo uyirwaye ufite ibimenyetso, cyangwa se ugakora ku myambaro n'ibindi bikoresho byagiyeho iyo virusi. Binasobanura impamvu ari ngombwa kwirinda gukoranaho, cyane cyane iyo ibyo bimenyetso bihari kuyifite cyangwa kuwo akoraho. Ibyo bijyana n'isuku ni nabyo twakomeje kwibukiranya, ari nabyo namwe twabasaba yuko mwadufasha gukomeza gutambutsa. Kenshi habaye icyorezo abakwize ibihuha nabo baba benshi, twagira ngo mwebwe muze kutubera abafatanyabikorwa beza bo guhangana n'ibyo bihuha rimwe na rimwe usanga bigamije kurangaza cyangwa se no kuba byanatera n'ibibazo ku cyorezo, gukura abantu umutima bitari ngombwa. Nubwo ari icyorezo gihitana ubuzima, ariko twizeye ko mu gihe gito twagitsinda. Baravuga ngo ibuye ryagaragaye ntiriba rikisha isuka. Birumvikana tubabajwe n'ubuzima twatakaje, ariko dushyiramo ingufu nyinshi turaza kurengera ubuzima bw'abandi benshi.